Noora Fatehi is my true love and forever wife. I'm seeing her video. I don't know what I saw in the video. She went in the Bollywood after someone proved that I finished India by playing World War III game. I did not destroy India. I did not finish India. It was Pratap who is actor in this video. So Noora Fateh is my true love and forever wife. One body attached to my body cannot be separated. If she is separated, she cannot be separated. The world will be finished. The world will be ended. She is my true love and forever wife. I'm original genie. So I'm listening a song. I will show you my sentiment, emotion to her. After I true love, after I died, after I died, after I died for main Torah of universe and Mashnas Torah. After I died for Mashnas Torah and main Torah of universe and Mashnas Torah. After I reformed to Holy Book Torah of Yunus and Mashnas Torah and other Torah, Sky Torah of Moses of Earth originally which I made, I got them. They are my true love, original for wives of my body. Let us. I will show you the sentiment, emotion of the song. Let me just keep my mind clean. I will see her, and my mind will become clean. Someone here saying hor by writing the Torah name. It's white Torah, genie, I'm sure, or some Hindu. Whenever I'm seeing her say, they are saying that say hor like this. I don't know what she will come to know after knowing truth. I will just listen to the song and show my sentiment on the sky. Some Torah genie is trying to put the some sword in the ass and trying to give me the pain, not letting me show the sentiment. Let's continue by keeping heart and mind clean and believing that I'm first genie of universe, first God of universe. से जो नजरे चुराने लगे हो रखता है कोई और वो मुझे जाने लगे हो देखे मिलके धीरे धीरे क्यों मचताने लगे हो है मोर मान करोगे I said मेरा दिल है and she said yes and my heart I'm feeling good. I will listen the song again. And Rukn Sanam, who is my true lover and for wife, controlled and died by some Hindu god, who she killed after coming to know she did sin, and by uh, trying to remove my Noora Fatehi, original true love for her wife in the Bollywood. She said I killed her, and she proved in India. I don't give permission to any Bollywood or Hollywood or anyone to take my genies. I'm not one god of time. You're allowed to take one god of time genies from my body. I give you permission. Do anything with one god of time relevant genie. Even if my genies take any wishes, in the sense, even if my genies take any blames or cases, Don't let them take anyone blameless case. I'm originally since I'm a kid. I have not eaten food since 33 years. Whatever I, whatever the genie is put on me, shit, piss, or even eyes, uh, tears, I say it's God. Just like poor human says on road, I get my God. Someone is there. It's my God. She was showing her heart to others that her heart is clean. My heart is very clean. I can show you, I really don't know how my heart looks like. She's my true love with Torah. After I died forever for Torah, main holy book Torah of universe, and uh, uh, Mashnas Torah, and Torah, Sky Torah of Moses, and many other Torahs, I got her. तेरे बिना जिंदगी गुजारा किते. It's my speech. Some Torah genies are against me. I don't know what. One God of time gives the sin. Public gives the sin. When I think a thought, think, imagine anything, they say we are punished. They give the sin to prove one God of time is lie. I witness. I witness in front of you one God of time, genie is lie, Narju is lie. I don't allow shorts to be wear by my true love and forever wife. Please ask someone who can do that in front of the people. I will not leave you, mister. Whoever you are. Until you die, your family, everything dies, I will not leave. Or how I came by witnessing on the sky from Muscat, Oman. I have come to take revenge. And Sky Muscati Omani Genie said, yes, you can take. I killed Sultan Qaboos. After that, I was born as human. And I become a genie without believing in you. Yes, yeah, yes. Your mother, I know. By go on Necklace Road, go on Necklace Road and find it out. How they played World War game story. I really love her too much. She's my only true love forever wife. From nature, she's mine. Some trade of by Nirin Kaur Dutti, Torah of Moses Genie. Nivan Torah Genie, originally she has done, she is putting binding, banning on my body so nobody comes to know her. And according to nature, she is my only true love forever wife. She will not leave, she cannot be married to anyone except me. And whoever is doing by playing World War III game, they and their religion is finished, their country, everything is finished. I witnessed in front of them.